So I came across this glitter and realized that it matches this polish perfectly. So I decided to do a quick spontaneous set. Hey everyone, hey NailTubers. So yeah, I'm sure you noticed I have a cold. So I'm not going to do much talking in this particular video. It's not a long one anyway, but I did want to explain this set. I was looking at my glitters and it dawned on me that these glitters that I have happen to match this polish. And I think this polish is so pretty. It's a classy looking color. And when I noticed that the glitters matched it, I was just like, I have to do a set like right now. It's funny that I said that about the polish because, as I forgot, the name of the polish is called Classical. So you'll see me polishing the nails individually and curing them, which I always mention that I cure them for 60 seconds because each one is going to be of its own design. Here I'm going in with builder gel to lay a foundation to secure the sequins. Did I say sequins? The glitter. What I ended up liking even more about this glitter is it's holographic. You could see it where it turns and it's shining a different color. So beautiful. Now with the glitter going on after the builder gel, that will be cured for 60 seconds to hold the glitter in place. Then a glossy top coat. One thing I did notice about this glitter as I was laying it is that it was very thick, almost like 3D. Now, most glitters are not going to lay flat. They will have a tendency to stick out. But this was thicker than normal. You'll see in a little bit what I did to resolve this. This nail would get 2 coats and then a matte top coat. It looks so gorgeous done. You could actually see it on my index finger on my right hand. this nail is going to get 2 coats. I wonder, you think you might be able to guess what I'm going to do to this nail? Without scrolling ahead, that is. I will tell you this. It's one of my favorite trends next to doing matte finish. And I'll give you a hint. I've done it recently on a set. So put it in the comments if you think you know. This nail I decided to ombre into the clear tip. It will also get builder gel for added strength, and also because I'll be placing the glitter on this nail. This set started giving me mermaid vibes. I think it came out very pretty. To clear up any confusion here, because I did reach for that top coat, you'll see me go in with the builder gel first for the glitter. I will cure that and then go in with the top coat. Now, for the nails that have the glitter still sticking out, I can do mild filing without affecting the design because remember, I applied builder gel. I would file it down to smooth it out, wipe it clean, and reapply some glossy top coat. And that's pretty much how I created this set. Who needs to go to the nail salon when they can create nails like this, right? So listen, it's pretty much the same that's on my right hand, and that's what I'm going to show you before I end this so I can get in the bed and take care of this cold. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.